Okay, welcome to my SharePoint label. In this label, I will show you how to do these three things in SharePoint 2016 column validation. I will first do the column validation and the column default value and the column calculate column. And I will demo how to do the column validation. First I will do a title must be AAA or BBB. Do this. So I open a website and I create a test list, add an app. Okay, I select the customer list and name the customer list to test list 3 and create. And I test list 3. I go into this list and I can set the validation to the title to AABBB. So I click list and click list setting, and in the columns I click title and click the column validation, and in this here I can enter a formula and this is a customer error message, and I enter equal or title equal AAA, title equal BBB. So this is all. If you enter invalid message text and I click OK. Formula can't refer to another column. Spelling. I reback to set title. I will input value title. And I click OK. This is OK. For I enter another to test, and I click test list 3, and I new item. I should CCC and save. This will report our error message. You enter invalid test, but I input AAA. Save. Okay. This is first, and I add another column and I create a column. I demo the second. Age must between 0 to 150. So what I can do it, this is simple. Age 1, I will do 2. You can select number as a type, and you can use the 0 and 21 150. You can use this, but if you use this, you will have the normal message. You can't custom the error message, so you can use this. And okay, this is age 1. I create another column, names age 2. I will use customer message, so I select number, and I don't use this. I just use column validation. And in this here, I can end equal and you must age greater equal than 0, and age this equal 150. Adjust this, and in this here in this place I can enter my custom message. This is my customer message. Age is not valid, and okay. The formula can't refer to another column. I write error. Age and age 2. So I had age 2, and I new item AAA, and this I 160, and I save. You can see this is the value of the field must be between 0 and 150. This is a normal message. You can't edit it, but I select this 160 and I save. This is my custom message. You can see this is my custom message. Age is invalid. So I enter invalid thing. You can save it. This is the age I can do with number, and I will test email. Just see. Email must include at. What I can do it. And I create a column and names it to email and a single line of text, but I use a colon in the formula. I end equal find at in the email. This is if you find true, they will. If you can't find at, it's not valid email, and I okay. You can see it, and I create a column. I named a. Oh no. I end a new item to test email AAA. And I A B C D E F G, and I save. You can see the invalid formula had to error. So I enter A at B. Save. Yeah, you will see. You can. This just valid is at, not other thing. We can see. Now I must check the phone number. The phone numbers must 11 bit, and must be all is number. I can check these two ruler, and how can I do it? So I can use a name. I create a column and named it to phone. and a single line of text, and I enter column validation. In the validation, I equal and len fun equal 11, and if this is if is error 1 plus fun, if this fun can plus this 1 means this is a number. If can't plus to 1 means this is not a number. So if is error, if not return error, names it's a number. So if is error means not number, so I return false, else I return true. This is and not valid phone number. So I test it and create a column A, create a column, create new item, and I set A and even email A at B, and I save not invalid phone number, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 and I 12 bit and save not invalid, save not invalid, but I delete 1 and I save with success. So this is all. You can't input you just can input this is and I can also do startDate, create a column, name startDate. I do the last startDate. Must create then today's date must create then today's date. So what I can do it, so I startDate, and in the column validation I can use the formula equal startDate must create today, and startDate is this equal today. And I test it. New item. New item A and 11 A at B. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, start date. I enter date. I don't select the date. No. I must redo it, and create column. I delete the column first. I list setting, and select the start date, and I delete it, and I redo it. I copy it, delete, okay, and I create it again. I create column, named startDate, and this I select the date and the time, and this is the formula, and startDate must great then today, and okay. So I test it, and I new item, and AAA 11 A at B 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 7 8 9 and 11, and this I selected it. I select yesterday, and I save. You can see started must greater than today, and I select today and save. This is not valid, and I select tomorrow and save. This will okay. Okay, this is the first question. This is the first question. I named it column validation. I do the second. The column default value. Every column has a default value. To convenient my test, I delete some columns. I list setting, and I delete startDate, delete, and delete the more phone. The phone is so long, I delete. I will demo you another thing. I delete the email. I delete one edge, just edge 2. I delete it. So I have 2 columns now. I see it. I have title and edge, and now I edit title to include some default value. So I will explain something about the text value. First, I will use the current use name as default value. I can demo it. You can use something to demo it. I just input to the title column. So I list setting, and I click title, and I must delete the formula, delete, and in the default value, I can input some calculate value to it, and I equal write of the string, write me is a function, is a value, just means current user, and I just write me, just equal me. Let you see it, and okay. I have, and when I new item, you can see this is me. Me means SP admin, underline admin. ABC is a domain name, and some foreign char. I must delete this char, so I select it and delete. So what am I do? I just need the SP admin. So I need to do something, and I click list and list setting, and click title. So I in the default I can modify the me, and I write me lane me hyphen. Okay, this is all. Just delete the left number of char. to it. So I new item, you can see the SP admin. You can add some other string to it. You can use and to connect this, can cut this. You can use this hyphen to connect some string. This is the first. I use current user's name as default, and I will use current date add user, current user, add current date. So what I can do it, so I can do this console and list setting and click title. I will test it in this toggle, in this toggle. And I will list setting and the title, and this username. I can add something. You can connect username, connect and today you can today just the data, so you use the text function to convert to text today. If you just use today, it is a number, so you use the text to invert it to YYYY-MM-DD. Okay, this is just all. So I will test in this. I knew you can see SP admin hyphen. This is year, month, and day, and this is default value. You can do it. This formula I can demo it. Just this. Control V. Write me, let me, error 11, and connect to text. Text used to convert the today. If you just write today, it will be a number. So there will be some. I will demo to it. If you just use today, you will not get to this 2020. I cancel, and in this I will demo it. And I click list and list setting and click title. I just write a year, just like a today. You can see a number, and in this you can see it. New item, you can see nothing. So you can't see nothing because it's a text. You can't enter text. You must use the text to convert it to a year. Okay. If you want to use the year, month, day, and time, what can you do it? I will demo it. So the last thing I will demo it is I can use the year. I write it just like this. I see the. Okay, if you want get to this, what can do it? So use now, use a now. There is a function now, not today, not me. So you in the column default value, you just can use me, use today, and use other function. And there is this thing to use. Well, I will demo it. You can't use today. Today has no time. Today just has year, month, and date. Not hour, minutes, and seconds. So I click title. I will demo it to do it. And in this, I click text now. To YYYY-MM-DD HH this is all, and okay, and I test it console, and new item. You will see this is the year, month, and date. This is the hour, and this is since. So I enter save. Okay, you can see this is default value. This is the SharePoint default value. I will use another video to do this demo. So this is today's demo. Thank you for watch.